Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I will be doing a two-in-one video. I'll be reviewing this gun, and I will also be explaining why it's a good idea to have one of these in your household. So with any drill, I recommend right away buying these adapters. It is for a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Very useful for working on cars and accepting certain sockets. Also, I recommend this set right here. It has all the bits that you'll need for your drill needs, and it is very light and compact. I really recommend this, and link for both of them will be in the description. Why not just use a screwdriver or some sort of other hand tool? Well, this saves you a ton of time. Whatever job you're doing that needs a screwdriver, this will do it 50 times better. I guarantee it. It makes it way faster, way easier to do. You have a free hand while doing it. You don't have to like balance a screw on a screwdriver or anything. This, you put it on and you're good to go. You can do repairs very fast, assemble a grill, put together a playground very fast, very effortlessly. This does all of the work for you, and it saves you a ton of time. In automotive especially, it saves a ton of time. You just grab one of these adapters, put it into your drill, and you can use almost any socket in your toolbox. I actually lost my 3/8 ratchet around the same time when I got this drill, and I haven't even bothered to replace it yet because I've just been using this drill. For example, this exhaust here, it came off of a Porsche Cayenne. Completely swapped it out. I also did the rear bumper and the tail lights, just using the drill like 95% of the time. The drill might not even be strong enough to take off a lug nut from full torque, but if you loosen it by hand, the drill does the rest for you, and it saves you a ton of time. Now, if you actually want an electric power drill that takes off lug nuts from their full torque, what you're looking for is called an impact wrench, and they have very, very heavy torque settings, and they can easily take off lug nuts. And I'll probably review one of those in a different video. Definitely something nice to just throw in the car, maybe going on a road trip. Bring your impact, it's very small, and it could make a 20-minute tire change turn into under 5 minutes. Also has a very, very nice design. It has this clip. I actually use this clip a lot. It helps a ton when I need two hands. I just put it on my pocket, on a belt, and it holds very, very nicely. Another thing is there's a spot here. You can attach actually more attachments if you'd like. There's one where you can put extra bits on it and stuff. Very, very useful. So that sums up the impact drive. It's very capable. It's very efficient, saves a lot of time, and makes a lot of jobs a lot easier. Instead of buying the impact by itself, you can also get it in this kit, which is what I have. It has, two batteries. It has this charger. It also has this drill. It's not an impact drill. It is a drill for drilling holes, screwing in things at certain torques, etc. If you want to go the extra mile, just buy the kit. That way you have something for drilling, more precise holes, etc. And then you also have the impact. And this is actually a very nice drill. It has 2 speeds, one for low speed, high torque, and 2 for high speed, low torque. There's a couple options here. One's for drilling. You can screw in certain screws and bolts. There's a clutch in here, and there's a certain level where you want the screw to stop screwing in, and it'll stop at that exact time. Another nice thing is the hammer drill. Pretty much while you're drilling something, it would actually hammer downwards. And for example, if you're drilling concrete, it would be drilling normally, but it would also tap down. to chip away and to get deeper. For any attachment that requires spinning, you can put in here and it would spin. Buff headlights, buff a car, a sanding pad. You can put it on the drill and you could actually use it on the drill. So it's very, very useful to have. I highly recommend having this one as well. So here I got this attachment on here and I'm gonna drill some holes here and you can see how it works. You can see here's the low speed, high torque. And over here is the high speed, low torque. Here I'm doing a demonstration of the hammer drill. So that concludes the video. If you want this exact set, I'll have the link in the description. If you want to just have the Impact by itself, I'll leave it in the description as well. I highly recommend going and ordering these as well, and the bit set.